What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video today. Somebody in the comment section said they wanted to hear how the bike sounded with the partial baffle being done to it. Give you a look as to show you what I actually done to it, what I drilled out. And I put a couple of little holes in there. Took the little black piece off that usually comes, that covers that. Did the top and the bottom, pretty much the same amount of holes, 4 at the top, 4 at the bottom. Nothing too wild, nothing too crazy. Still thinking about doing the complete debaffling to see how that sound. So give you a little quick run and let you hear what it actually sounds like. Now, mind you, this is on a cold startup, so. It actually has a nice little rumble to it. It's something that I was looking for. It's a whole lot, got a little bit more of a rumble to it than the stock muffler had on it. So, well, it's still stock, but with the debaffling, with the partial debaffling done to it, it sounds good. Still hadn't done anything too crazy for it yet. Still thinking about what I'm gonna do. So if y'all see what I got going on in the background right there, I tint windows on the side, so that's my little setup. All right, so she's quiet down now. That's what she sounds like once it's heated up. So, in closing, guys, that's my 2017 V900 Classic. Still trying to pick out some other things that I want to do to it, but as of right now, can't do too much driving. Let's see how many miles I got on here. That's how many miles I got on it. I've only been riding for a year, so like I say, it was a starter bike. Plan on keeping it in the long haul, and plenty more updates in the future. So once again, it's your boy Trey Mac 29. Peace.